Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about control center not showing problem in Poco M7 5G smartphone or any other Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends. First you have to open your settings. If your control center not showing, it is a something like glitch or bug. Firstly, if there is any software update, you have to do it. Then go to applications, click on manage apps, click on search. Right here Google Play services, you have to clear catch this, and then friends click on search and you have to write here Android, and here it is Android system. You have to just clear catch this also. Then friends you have to press back and restart your device. It will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.